guys, so this video will be about Young Living's promos for the month of April. So if you go over 100 PV, you will get a free bottle of Basil Vitality, the 5 milliliter bottle. If you go over 190 PV, you'll get a 15 milliliter bottle of tea tree essential oil. And then you'll also get the 15 milliliter bottle of fennel and the 5 milliliter bottle of Basil Vitality. If you go over 250 PV, you'll get the dryer balls. You also get the 15 milliliter bottle of tea tree oil. And then you'll also get the 15 milliliter bottle of fennel and the 5 milliliter bottle of Basil Vitality. If you go over 300 PV, you'll get Alzheimer's. I think I said that right. And then you also get the dryer balls. You'll get the tea tree oil. You also get the fennel and the Basil Vitality all in one. So the only ones that I've tried out of the essential oils is the tea tree out of this promo selection, and that's really good for your skincare routine. So you can add those to your facial cream, your overnight cream, anything that has to do with the skin. You can use that. That's really good. I'm really excited that they have the dryer balls because you can put a few drops of your favorite essential oil, pop it in the dryer with your clothes, and it smells really good. So, and I like the smell of purification, so I think I'm going to try that when I order that. But yeah, so it's just a quick video. If you guys have any questions on the essential oils, you can leave a comment down below or inbox me, either or. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.